It happened that day, me myself, Senyonga Andrew, I was a candidate in this primaries of Mukono municipality, of which I, Senyonga Andrew, I joined these campaigns within 1 month and 2 weeks. And those I was contesting with, they had campaigned for 4 years. But just imagine a person coming in 1 month and 1 month and 2 weeks, he could manage to overwhelm to take all the votes. Even those ones, the one who came second, they could not have voted in a court of vote. That reflects the love of the people and the trust of the people that are reflected in Senyonga. Therefore, as me, I was beaten. I cannot tell, it is not even beaten. Sincerely, I was beaten to death. And indeed, as for me, the time that I was taken to the hospital, I could not tell because I was not understanding. I came to my senses when I was in. And from there, I was referred to Kampala Hospital, where I was put in ICU for 3 days. And from there, just off my spine, I was referred to Nairobi AKAMYUFU, of which, at least for them, they identify the cause and at least they have done all the great. Even as per now, I can try to take this step. Therefore, I take this opportunity to thank all the doctors, those who have tried my life. And again, taking thanks to people who stood with me. In fact, it was not me who took myself to Namirembe. From Namirembe even to 4 hospitals, it is only Aga Khan where I have taken myself. There are people who have been standing with me in all three. So I take this opportunity to thank my people, those who have been standing with me, and all the blessings from God, and I pray that they get blessed. But again, this is where I feel very uncomfortable. Me, I've been brought up by this government. I've been too royal and still too royal. I have been in the system of police. I'm not a police officer. But since at the age of 16, I've been cooperating with these people, in a friendly manner, and reflecting that I respect them and they love me. I just wonder of that incident that happened from the DPC Mukono, who decided to beat me, and commanding his officers, including the OC operations, to beat me the way I was beaten. I cannot tell the reason why I was beaten. But as in my senses, I believe that politicians influenced him and believed in him and led him to act very unprofessional. But however, that is a human being. He was a police officer. But as per now, what has the police done? What has the government done over this? Because I have ever seen even a chicken thief, when such incident happens to him, higher officers can come to at least to advise, at least to take a disciplinary action of an officer who can behave very unprofessional. So as per now, me, if I had any wrong, I was at police, I would have been arrested. I would have been in cells at least, instead of deciding to kill me. But as per now, let me incline my eyes to government and police, and we see. Really, if I did something wrong to them, let them come up and say, we hate you for this. But again, even if you hate someone, because it's not that everybody is friendly to police, but people are not supposed to be treated the way I was treated.
So you now have a pending petition for hearing. What next after you return?
I myself am going to, I put my petition there. I cannot tell why, as per now, they haven't pronounced what is the true reason of that petition. Let me incline my eyes to them and see. But as for me, I'm just standing, and I will stand on position and the decision that was made by the people of Mukono municipality. Not until themselves come up and say that Senyonga, sit down. But all the trust they entrusted in me, of which it was very transparent, I'm going to respect it. I'm going to respect it.
Thank you so much for your time.